After cutting the roots of the shallots bought from the supermarket. Insertion into the soil and hydroponics respectively. Which one grows faster? After spraying the right amount of water. The next day, the incisions of the scallions on both sides. There have been obvious changes. New shoots are rushing up quickly. You can see the first week. The hydroponic shallots on the left grow significantly faster. They're growing roots at the bottom. The time has come to the 10th day. Shallots grown with soil on the right. It's just starting to work out. A green onion that seems to be sleeping. Finally adapted to the soil environment. Onion leaves grow up at a speed visible to the naked eye. Day 21. Shallots cultivated in the right soil. The conditions are met for harvesting. And the hydroponic shallots on the left. Without a constant supply of nutrients. Growth seems to have come to a standstill. And the green onion that harvests the first tea by soil cultivation method. It's growing faster. 10 days later. It has reached the length that can be harvested again. It seems that plants need a continuous supply of nutrients to continue to grow. In addition to the common four-season chives. In the south of our country, there are also red onions. The difference between it and white onion is there is a small red scallion at the root of the shallot. And sow shallots. You can also reproduce asexually with onions. First, prepare some plastic cups. Use an electric soldering iron at the bottom of the cup. Put some holes for easy drainage. Then, put the prepared coconut bran nutrient soil into a cup. Be careful not to fill it up too much. Reserve a height for burying the scallions. After loading the field, you can start processing the shallots. In order to promote the germination of scallions, you can use a knife here. Cut off part of the top of the scallion. Then put the scallions into the cup one by one. The planting density can be higher here. Fill the scallions directly. All transplanted into small flower pots. Then just spray on the surface. Appropriate amount of water to promote germination. Shallots are in the germination stage. Likes a cool, ventilated and sunny environment. Therefore, if conditions permit, you can also build a flower stand. With iron brackets and wooden planks. Just build a simple platform. Then you can put these scallion pots. Place on a flower stand. A week later, these scallions have sprouted one after another. Only simple management is required during the period. Just spray and replenish water on time. The time has come to the 10th day. At this time, the onion leaves can be said to be very lush. But this is not yet the optimal harvest time. Let's keep waiting. On the 15th day after planting, the whole small flower pot is already covered with scallion leaves. A big slice of green is really delightful. In order to facilitate batch harvesting, you can use string here. Bundle the whole scallion leaves. Then cut directly along the root with scissors. So that in each culture pot. Just in time to harvest a bundle of shallots. If you don't want to harvest that much at once, you can also pinch a small handful at any time when you want to eat it. And for the remaining shallot roots after harvesting, you just need to spray the right amount of water again. It won't take a few days. It can grow a green chive. Learned friends. You can also try it yourself.